I guess we seal coated about 10 years ago, and it was useless, it really was. My name is Steve DePalma. I'm the president / property manager of High Point and Fort Pierce Section 1. So as the president of the association, you have a responsibility to maintain all the major and minor projects. So you have the pool, you got to maintain the pool, you got to maintain the buildings, landscaping, and pavement. We tried seal coating probably 2 or 3 times on our pavement to try to preserve it. And with the traffic that we have here, we have 812 units. So with the traffic at the gate, after a while the seal coat just looked bad. It would actually wear down back to the original pavement. We weren't happy with the seal coating because it never lasted that long. So we investigated several options. We came up with HA5, which is a high density minerals product. And we decided to go with the HA5 for our roads. I called up the villages where they did some HA5, and we investigated it and to just see the product. And they were all happy with it, and we decided to do it. And right now we are 100% satisfied with the way it looks, and with all the traffic we have here, it still looks great. Holbrook had a great crew out there. If you had a problem, a phone call away. Just call them up, say, hey, what's this, what's that? And they would get back with you quickly, and they would tell you what it was and if there was a problem or if they corrected it. They really did a super job. Many people that come in here, they look at the roads, some of them of the guests, of course, and they work at other communities. They might be contractors. And they always call me up and say, hey, what'd you do to the roads? And I explained to them that we put this process on there, which was great, and give them the phone number, and hopefully they'll call and get the HA5 in their community and be satisfied. And I get so many compliments on how the roads look, how the community looks, and it just really enhanced I'm gonna say the community. It just looks great.